Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are making pinwheel skirt steaks on the Big Green Egg. We're gonna get to it now. I have you make the first one, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna get this guy. I think this other one probably good. A little wet. Let's go ahead and dab it down first. All right. Okay. Now we are going to use the inside layer here because I want the outside. I want the fat to be on the inside, meat to be on the outside. So now we are going to put some salt and pepper on right here. So now you're doing this one, okay? Just salt and pepper all over that. It's the smallest salt I've ever seen you put on anything ever. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now pat that around. Okay, now some pepper in there. Good. You got it. Okay, there you go. Okay. Actually, this pepper feels really nice.
Yeah.
That's a weird thing to say. We just freshly cracked it, and it feels really soft. It's not normally peppercorns are really it's not very dried out peppercorns like what we're normally experiencing. Okay, now we are going to put some cheese down. So take some Parmesan cheese, and we want to get it too close to the edges, kind of like we're doing a pizza, right? We want it too close to the edges because it's just going to spill out. But definitely get it all good and coated. Okay. You have all that cheese there we can use. So don't skimp out. Is what I'm telling you. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Keep going. There you go. Okay. That's probably good. Okay. So there we go. Now I'm gonna do this Parmesan. I do the exact same thing. Sorry, I said Parmesan. We just put Parmesan on. Now we're doing parsley. So now we're going to do the same thing. You just did with the parsley, okay?
Parmesan.
With the parsley, because that's parsley. Yeah.
So you said you want to do the same thing that you did with the parsley.
Yeah, with the parsley. Oh goodness. Can't keep my head on straight. What are you doing? Load that up there, kiddo. Got lots of Parmesan. Lots of parsley. Lots of parsley there. Okay. There you go. Good. Have a little more. Okay. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of zest. Now, do you know what we have to do?
Roll it up.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I'm just sitting on the bottom of the chair, and when I stand up, the top half of my face.
Oh, can you see you? Oh no, I can't see you. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna roll it up now, okay? You want to try it, or do you want me to do it? Okay, go ahead. Yeah, just don't stop halfway through. Just keep going with it, okay? There you go. Oof, look at that. Oh man, that's a lot bigger than I was expecting. Awesome. Okay, let's go and get some string. Twine string. Oh yeah, it's kind of the same thing, huh? I guess definitely for what we're using it for. I pre-cut these. Didn't know how much we actually would need. Did not want to come out here and have the short end of the stick, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now we're going to we're going to tie this off before it falls apart, and that'll be my fault. Why am I tying this thing here? Okay. I think I only just need the one, but we're going to do a couple more here just to make sure we're good. Because what we're going to do is we're going to cut this in half at the first string I just tied. And then we're going to grill it in two different pieces. So we're going to have two medallions, if you will, with two circles. Yeah. So do it like that. Just do the one knot. Like that, go and tie it. Yeah, well, I think I did too close to the edge there. There you go. Just want to make sure it's good and tight. Keep all that stuff in. Now we just do it good and tight again. There you go. Pull it tight. Perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna see what the scissors are. Now don't tell mommy we're using the good scissors, okay?
Well, they are.
Yeah. Well, they're the kitchen, like the food scissors, right?
That's
Yeah.
what this is.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. That's it. Now I'm going to get the grill going in temperature. We'll get the other one going too, and then we'll go and cook these things off.
There's a parsley and some.
Oh, and we'll fix that because I have to do one more too. Okay. So we're going to put him off to the side right here, and we'll go and do the next one. Okay. There you go. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, salt and pepper. It's really, really covered. Oh gosh, that was probably a little too much.
So you just.
Okay, there we go. Yeah. Don't be scared. This will be the overkill one, probably. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, put that one right there, and then now you choose first. Yeah. Oh boy, look at all that. We gotta get back inside. Oh yeah, now there we go. Now this is what I'm talking about. We thought the first one was overkill. No more zest. Yeah, I'll try to roll this one up. See how it goes. That's kind of cool, if you ask me. Try and roll it up. So this is a little shorter. This is a little wider down here at the end. So I'm gonna do it this way. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. I'll hold this. You just yeah, the one string. Just lay it right here. Perfect. Thanks, kiddo. Oops. I was better at tying these knots, like for the food, like almost like a slip knot, so it's not gonna come undone as I'm trying to do the second one here. But I'm no sailor. Okay. Yep. No, go ahead. And there we go. Let these things rest, and we'll come back to you. All right, so we are ready. It is a little hot out here. Let's go and give this a try. I may have had a little bit already off camera. Oops, almost dropped it. Want to try that? Okay. What do you think? Pretty good? You did a great job. I was very confused actually with this cook and the recipe. It said 6 minutes per side at 500 degrees. I would never do that normally on something like this, especially a skirt steak. Call me crazy. That seems a little extreme. What does it taste like? Like Sprite?
At first a little bit, because like Sprite has a
I bet you that's probably the lemon.
Water.
It's probably like the lemon you're tasting. I bet you. So what I did was 4 minutes for the first side, 3 minutes for the second side, and then we did off direct, direct heat, and then we put butter on top because I love how butter makes everything better. And then we just let it come up to temperature until it's ready. And of course, this type of things are really hard to get a good temperature, like a good medium rare throughout, because it's a steak wrapped up. You're not going to get it cooked throughout the right temperature you want. There'll be a gray, reddish, pinkish gradient, and which we kind of got too. So no complaints. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Till next time, subscribe, comment, like. Keep barbecuing America. Cheers.